Hi, my name is Handy Andy, and today I want to show you how to swap out the microphone inside your Dualsense. Some prefer to use it instead of a headset, and it usually works quite well, but maybe it's broken because of some reason. Maybe the controller was dropped or a software-based issue, but with a couple of easy steps, I will help you to fix it. And for that, you need some tools as always. You need a Phillips screwdriver for the screws. Inside here there are 4 of those. Need a bending tool to open it up, and this is my poker. We have a small tweezer that's a bit bent for a cable, or a flat one, and I will prefer to use this one because you will get a bit better force when it comes to removing the microphone. But let's get to it. So you start by using the bending tool to open up the bottom here. And today this seemed to be tricky. If you have nails, you can also use those. Pop it open like this. Do it on the other side as well. And don't be afraid, this is very durable, so it can stand some force. And now we will remove these screws down in the bottom here. That's one. This is the second one. And this is what I really like about the Dualsense. It's very user-friendly to replace and open up by yourself. We need to also take out the triggers, pop the bending tool underneath, just have a thumb in the way so it doesn't fly off. There we go. And there are the other 2 screws. I will actually keep the bending tool here since we're gonna pop the 2 latches also that holds the controller in place. We'll do it right after this. So if this is your first time doing this, remember, have patience, do it step by step. You don't have a rush doing these things. Most of the time if you rush, you might break a few things and then the controller is in worse condition than before. But yeah, now let's separate the controller, put some pressure here, get a thumb underneath. We're gonna pop the first latch here. You hear the pop, then put some more pressure. We need to open it up a bit more, and then you can pop the other side as well, like that. Now you can start separating it. Remember, they need to go thread the triggers, and it's off. Some will prefer to remove the battery because it's loose, like that. You can do it by removing this cable. Just take tweezers, take a base of the cables here, and just pull it straight out. I will keep it here and have my thumb in the way if I need to move the controller or change sides. So yeah, and this is the first connection we're about to remove for the microphone. The microphone sits here, it needs to be threaded through this hole, and I will use my tweezers for this. I will take the flat one and I will go to the base of this and get a good grip by putting my fingers at the tip here, and it's off. And the tricky part is we need to thread it through here so we can remove it here. I will start by removing it from the hook and actually lifting it off its place there. And now just be careful with this one because this cable is actually quite fragile. If it breaks here around the hole, it will be entirely useless, unfortunately. So it came out quite nicely. Now the other tricky part, and this is where you need to use your patience, is to thread it through the hole here and get it out on the other side. Sometimes it might get stuck here. Yeah, it's a bit stuck here now. Try to wiggle it to the right a bit and get it through. Let's see. Come on. Oh, there it goes. And now it's threaded through. Again, get the tweezers here at the base of this latch. Need to tip it over a bit, and it's in. So it's in there now. Have it over the hook there, and also let's get into place here. You can use your fingers to do this if you feel comfortable. Otherwise, you can use the tweezers as well. Now it's over the hook part here. inserted here, and now it's replaced. So this was it. These are the couple of steps you need to do. All we have to do now is put back the covers and the screws and the outer cover there. So thread it through the triggers. Like that. We hear a pop, it goes over the latches. Now we're going to put the screws back. And this is what I mean. I think Sony has been really nice with the Dualsense, made it very user-friendly. I do also like that they don't have any special screws that requires a different type of screwdriver. I have in my bio also a link for a toolkit if needed. Works for most of the controllers, Joy-Cons, Xbox, PS5, and probably other third-party controllers as well. It has a small bending tool, has bits for different type of screwdrivers, and yeah, it's very sturdy as well. So the screws are in place. Now we'll put the triggers back. Look, so they fit nicely here. Just pop it in. Do the same on the other side, like that. And now the outer cover part goes over the joysticks. You can feel a bit pressure here, but don't worry about it. Just press it in there. It's very durable, as I said before. Look, so it fits nicely over the holes here. Like that, and then you see a space here. Just pop it like that, and we're done. Now, it will work fine, and you can speak again with your microphone. So I hope this video helped you guys. I hope you learned something by this, and I wish you a good day, and hopefully I see you in the next one. Bye.